You're not going to want to miss this. We cleaned Erie, PA's Texas Roadhouse metal roof, which hadn't been done 20 years, with grease, soot, and grime, and their rubber roof, and we did their dumpster pad. So sit back, relax, and you're watching Grimebusters Soft Watch TV. What's up, guys? It's Matt with Grimebusters Soft Watch. We are in Erie at Texas Roadhouse. We're doing a test spot here up on their roof here. So what we're going to do is we have a special degreaser we're going to use to try to get that off. If it comes off and we get that cleaned, we get this job. So we're asking for help, prayers. It'd be a huge job for us.
All right, so you guys can see Justin up here scrubbing away at that roof. The black up there, that's grease, soot, grime. This Texas Roadhouse metal roof has been absolutely cooked by the Pennsylvania sun, the grease and algae. And we did a dumpster pad, but we're not showing that here. So the next few minutes, we're going to show you how Grimebusters Soft Wash completely transforms this Texas Roadhouse's roof. What's going on, everyone? This is Matt with Grimebusters Soft Wash, and we specialize in commercial and residential exterior cleaning across Pennsylvania. Today, as you see, we're at Texas Roadhouse taking care of their metal roof, which took us a day and a half to do. So we do use what is called Black Scorpion Degreaser 771. It is a water-based degreaser, safe for these roofs if you don't let it dwell. A lot of the other degreasers for this are just too powerful and will leave marks on your metal roof, eating away at it. So we don't want that. We rinse this with our ball valve open. So pretty much what we do is we spray this at a 1-to-1 ratio, let it dwell 5 minutes, and then we have to scrub, as you guys can see, with soft bristle brooms. And it does take a while. Typical of these jobs, you can get $4,000 to $5,000 from doing these roofs. As you guys can see here how bad it was. This application right here, it took us 3 different times. But we let the chemical do all the work. We scrub away. We also did the rubber roof, which was really bad. We actually turned down the pressure for that. That's going to be coming up here shortly. But we just wanted to let you guys know how we got this Texas Roadhouse. So I drove by multiple times, and I just noticed how bad it was. And I walked in, asked for the general manager. I said, hey, I can get that roof cleaned. She didn't believe me. She said actually 2 other companies have come in and tried to get this cleaned. They couldn't do it. Do your research, guys. The way I found out how to clean this video was a gentleman on TikTok. I know, sounds crazy, and I messaged him, and he was, kind enough to give me the information. As you guys can see here, me rinsing that off. I mean, that is a complete 180 the transformation. You can see right where I'm spraying there, right there. There's a mark there. Texas Roadhouse actually tried to get their own degreaser, and they ruined it. So the black streaks and the grease stains, they're gone. It's a clean, bright metal roof. We say a health hazard, but we don't want to tell them. We don't want to say that. But this is why business like Texas Roadhouse trust Grimebusters Soft Wash. You guys, these jobs are awesome. They build credibility. They let you expand. Other companies see this. They see that you can handle the business. This was a freezing cold job also. As you guys can see, that's Aiden up there. And we used 12-foot extension poles. You see their pitch with the water. We actually used some non-skid boots for this roof so the guys weren't slipping. But it is a very tedious job, so that's why we charge a lot for it. We did their walkways and their dumpster pads also, but we're not going to show that. I just really wanted to show you guys different ways how to make money commercially. When you guys walk in to these businesses, be confident. let them know you can do it. You know, obviously I knew that I could finish this job. I knew I could get results. And that's why we did the test spot. So always offer a test spot. If, you know, if someone is asking or not, or excuse me, if they're hesitant on, you know, hiring you or getting the job done, offer a test spot. It can really help you out. Obviously this right here, we have a couple other Texas Roadhouses we're doing in the future because of this job in the area. So we've been blessed with this. But I wanted to show you guys this video also because there's not videos like this out here that actually give you guys the information, the knowledge, the tools to actually get these jobs done. A lot of these guys just post and they don't really tell you any information. You know what? I think that we all should share. I'm not going to charge for my knowledge. I'll charge the companies for that, but that's why we have YouTube, so we can learn. So thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe and comment for the channel.